How to ripen kiwi at home. Kiwi fruit, also known as Chinese gooseberry, is a small, oval-shaped fruit with fuzzy brown skin and bright green or golden flesh. It's native to China and was first introduced to New Zealand in the early 20th century, where it was cultivated and eventually exported to other parts of the world. Kiwi is packed with nutrients and is considered a superfood due to its high vitamin C content, fiber, and antioxidants. One medium-sized kiwi fruit contains approximately 61 calories, 15 grams of carbohydrates, and 2.5 grams of fiber. It's also a good source of potassium, vitamin K, and folate. To enjoy kiwi fruit, simply cut it in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. You can also peel the skin and slice the fruit into rounds or wedges. Kiwi fruit has a sweet and tangy flavor that pairs well with other fruits, such as strawberries, bananas, and mangoes. In addition to being a delicious snack or ingredient in recipes, kiwi fruit has several potential health benefits. Studies have shown that kiwi fruit may improve digestion, boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. It may also have anti-cancer properties. Overall, kiwi fruit is a nutritious and tasty addition to a healthy diet. The best way to ripen kiwi fruit at home is to place them in a brown paper bag with an apple or a banana. This is because apples and bananas release ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening process of kiwis. The bag helps to trap the ethylene gas and concentrates it around the kiwis, helping them to ripen more quickly. Here are the steps to ripen kiwi fruit using a paper bag and an apple or banana. First, it's important to select kiwi fruit that are ripe enough to be able to ripen further. Look for kiwis that are firm but not too hard, and are slightly soft to the touch. If the kiwis are too hard, they may not ripen properly and will stay firm and unripe. Next, get a brown paper bag that's large enough to hold all of the kiwis you want to ripen. You can also use a lunch bag or a grocery bag if you don't have a brown paper bag. Then, add one apple or banana to the bag along with the kiwis. Make sure that the apple or banana is also ripe, as this will help to release more ethylene gas and speed up the ripening process. Fold the bag over at the top to close it tightly, trapping the ethylene gas inside the bag. Ethylene is a naturally occurring gas that fruits produce as they ripen, and the apple or banana will release even more ethylene gas, which will help the kiwis to ripen faster. Place the bag in a warm and dry spot in your home, such as a kitchen counter or pantry. Leave the bag for 1 to 2 days, checking on the kiwis every day to see if they have ripened to your desired level. You can also gently squeeze the kiwis to test their ripeness. If they give slightly to pressure, they are ripe. Once the kiwis have ripened to your liking, remove them from the bag and store them in the refrigerator to prevent further ripening. Kiwis that are overripe can become mushy and unpleasant to eat, so it's important to check on them regularly and remove them from the bag once they are ripe. With a little patience, you can enjoy perfectly ripe and delicious kiwis at home. Here are some more tips and information on how to ripen kiwi fruit at home. Temperature. The ripening process is accelerated by warmer temperatures. Try to keep the bag with the kiwis and apple, banana at room temperature, preferably between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Check regularly. Checking the kiwis every day is important to ensure they don't overripen. Quality. Choose high-quality kiwi fruit to ripen at home. It is much easier to ripen kiwis that are healthy and not damaged. Also, avoid kiwis with bruises or cuts as they can spoil faster. Separating the kiwis. If you want to ripen only a few kiwis, it's better to keep them separate from each other and not overcrowd them in the bag. Now that you know how to ripen kiwis at home, here are a few ways to use them. Kiwi fruit can be used in a variety of recipes, from salads to smoothies to desserts. Try adding sliced kiwis to a fruit salad, blending them into a smoothie with yogurt and honey, or using them to top a bowl of oatmeal or yogurt. Kiwis can also be used to make sorbet, ice cream, or fruit salsa. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.